Hello guys, this is the part to make you look at me on. I should tell her right now. Anyways, we're just gonna chat. Hi guys, cause we're a boys over, but yeah, think about that. So that's Ringo. It's a cat from Ed's world. It's Ed's cat. Yep. I did not say that. It was all Abby. But yeah, my cat's name is Roro. Not in real life, only in the darkness, so yeah. Fourth, that's the fourth cat. Yep. It's the fourth cat. And yeah, I've posted the part 1 already, guys. If you haven't seen the part 1 yet, go check it out. It's pretty awesome. Plus, you can win a giveaway. His name is Ringo. Yep. You can all see that. Hashtag. I swear. Guys, there's also a new update coming to Adopt. It's the butterfly update. I think there's a pet butterfly. Okay, I don't know the other rest. So, it's just like 2 more tasks. And then we can go to the cave. Literally, yeah. And the part was kind of long because we had to do montage doing it. But, yeah. I didn't know how to do this. There's one. Yep. It's food. I'm not good at spelling. My spelling sucks. Okay? Don't judge me. One more. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, we totally told each other that we're gonna throw a party in Adopt Me if we got Roro, Meganian, and yeah, we didn't do it. We did a wedding instead. Yeah, spoiler. We did not record the wedding because I was screaming. Don't even ask for this one. Only funky nights, funky fans know that. I don't even know what the title is. Just don't judge me, okay? I'm not a big fan of whoop whoop doop doop, but we're gonna do a translation and go to the cave. It's kind of hard to do it because it's not smooth, but let's try. Okay, it did not work, guys. It didn't work. It's so sad. Okay, we're gonna wait for the Bobby. It's gonna take her a few minutes. I know. It's kind of hard to because I'm excited. I'm so excited. But we have to wait for the ones you have. I did glows. I made glow Meganian. I made her cat Meganian because she can't place it. Luckily for me, I can. I like this glow. Like his glow. AKA his wife. I know. Should I do it now? I'm so excited, guys. Don't judge me. I was so excited. Yes, put him in blue. Yep. It's her favorite color. I won't judge. I mean, that's my favorite color too. Blue's a nice color for girls. Actually, I like light blue. It's trivia about me. But I'll shut up now. The last one's green. That's disgusting. Even though it's Mega Neon, so it will color everything. It will be the color of every color in the rainbow. Except black, I'm guessing, because black's not in the rainbow. Yep. OMG! Pleasant's a ride, Meganian cat. I got trades after this vlog. I got trades, a bunch of trades. I don't like people trading me and giving me trash offers. I'm sorry, but I just don't like trash offers. I mean, it's a Meganian cat. I don't like trash stuff. I want a fair trade. But you know, guys, I will never trade this cat. It's very special to me. It's kind of rare. I also collect a bunch of clothes. I'm now saving up because I want 35,000 in a Toppy. 35,000 money, so I can buy anything I want without nothing. And I can still grind. And it will just grow because it's 35,000 bucks in a Toppy. Right now I have like 1,000. I'm getting to 2,000 now. We are savage sisters. Yep. Yes, girl. Yes. Anyway, guys, we're not rich, so our giveaways are pretty trash too. Yeah, I'm sorry. But if you want it, it's kind of rare. So if you want it, go comment. Because there's no one commenting on my videos. No one really comments on my videos. My videos are lame, so they do not comment. Yep. Well, I'm gonna fix his name. There's only glitter on the end. There should be glitter on the front too. Hello. That's nice. Yep, comment your user, guys. Subscribe, like, probably even share, and go to part 1, watch that, go to the description, and yeah, you should go to the description and look there what you should do and if you should follow our accounts. Or look at this description. Look at the description down below right here in this video. It might help. It's extra chances you could win in the giveaway. It's kind of rare. It's out of game. Not a mouse though. It's so sad. But something much. It's not much. Yep, it's not much. I swear it's not. So dumb. Not much, but kind of rare. Yep. It's kind of rare. Okay. That it's a sabertooth, guys. Guys, we're not rich, but if we become rich, we promise we're gonna give you something we don't really like, or is in our collection, but we don't really like, and we're gonna give it to you guys because we love you guys. And yeah, whatever. Look, there's a new. Well, not really new, but it's like a girl. That's all, guys. Bye, Bush.